there, Beautyistic family. Let's talk lips today. We all know the importance of a good lip liner. It's the one product that can really make or break your lipstick game. So I've got my hands on the Kiko Milano Everlasting Color Precision Lip Liner in the shade 05 Gingerbread, and I'm here to break it down for you. Now, Kiko Milano is a brand that's known for delivering high-quality products at a reasonable price, and this lip liner definitely lives up to that reputation. The shade Gingerbread is a beautiful, warm nude, which I absolutely love, especially for creating that perfect natural lip look. The formula is designed to be long-lasting, which is a huge plus for those of us who don't want to be reapplying every hour. When you first try it, you'll notice that the pencil is easy to sharpen, which is always a good sign in my book. The matte finish gives your lips a smooth, velvety look, and it glides on effortlessly without tugging at your skin. Whether you're outlining your lips for definition or using it all over as a base for your lipstick, this liner stays put. I tested it on a full day out, and it didn't budge, not even after a meal or a few drinks. Now let's talk about the texture. This liner has a creamy consistency that doesn't feel too dry, which is something I've noticed in other matte liners that can sometimes feel too stiff or uncomfortable. It's smooth enough to apply precisely around the lip contour without any fuss. But here's the kicker. While it's creamy, it still stays matte. No glossiness or slipperiness here. It really does keep that precision throughout the day. When it comes to performance, the Kiko Milano Everlasting Color Precision Lip Liner truly holds up. I didn't notice any fading or feathering throughout the day. It worked perfectly with various lipsticks, from glossy to matte, and kept my lips looking sharp and defined. Plus, it's comfortable to wear, which is often something that's overlooked with matte liners. Now for the cons. And let's be honest, no product is perfect. While the formula is pretty comfortable, it can feel a bit dry when worn alone for long periods, especially if you're not layering a balm underneath. So, I'd recommend prepping your lips with a little moisture before applying it for the best results. Also, the pencil itself can be a little fragile, so be sure to sharpen it gently. So, is this lip liner worth your money? At the price point, it definitely is. Kiko Milano has hit the sweet spot with this one. It delivers on its promises. It's long-lasting, comfortable, and gives you that precise, clean lip line that's hard to get with other products in this price range. If you're someone who's after a reliable, no-fuss lip liner that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth trying. The Kiko Milano Everlasting Color Precision Lip Liner in Gingerbread is a great match for a natural lip look, or even for those days when you want to add a little extra definition without the high-maintenance feel. Is this review helpful to you? If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience with it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.